Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. I am actually going to share my planner for the week of May 6th through May what? 12th. But I just wanted to show you for last week. I had I had a couple packs of these stickers from Dollar Tree. I used some of these in my this is a new pack, but I had the same pack, only 3 left, and I used them on last week's planner. I just put them in there. Well, look at this. I have the same 3 plus hopes and dreams. And this was a new pack. I opened it to use in the I believe in the butterfly journal I did for one of Friday's videos. I also wrote in a gratitude. I am grateful for the use of my legs and ability to walk. I had a lovely walk around Longwood Gardens Saturday with Amy, Haley, and Christopher. That's my daughter, my granddaughter, one of my granddaughters, and my son. And I missed Courtney, who is my other granddaughter. So anyway, that is that. And I struggled today. I wanted to use this washi up that I used on a altered playing card on Thursday for hashtag Deck the Year. And I did, but I was getting so frustrated. First of all, I had to watch these washies because it's directional. You have to put it up and down because originally I was thinking, oh, I'll put wide washi at the top. Yeah, and then I couldn't find a washi to go with it. I had the pink lacy one, but it just looked out of place because it was too open up here. So I brought in the Altenew wide watercolor washi and I just made do with that. And I'm saving this. The front of it anyway is pretty. Now see, they have it showing up and down, and then this washi was awful. It was awful. It kept tearing on me along the edge, and there was a tiny little bit left, but I finally threw it out. What was left, it was down to the bare. But I mean, and this one I had a problem with too. It kept wrinkling in the middle, but it's all done. The stickers I used were mostly out of 2 Happy Planner books. One was called Tiny, where I got these out of. I think most of them came out of Tiny, and maybe 1 or 2 other books, but like a sticker here and there. I don't know. And I wrote everything in again, mostly in pencil. I did come back in with the weather in this green paper mate. And I don't think those go through, no. And I did change. I have a doctor's appointment Monday. The planner video will be up. I need to mail a Mother's Day card, even though we did our kind of Mother's Day thing. My son was so nice yesterday. He got up early, like mid-morning, which is early for him, and he went down to Home Depot and bought flowers for Amy and for me. So that was so sweet of him. So thank you, Christopher. And he also bought groceries on the way home, so that was nice of him too. Anyway, every day this week is either going to be cloudy or rainy or both. And, it's not like 100% chance of rain any day, but every day has 20-25% chance of rain. Yesterday, when we were walking around Longwood, it said 10 to 15% chance of rain. So my son and I were talking about that on the way to Longwood, and he said, yeah, but that can mean 10 or 15% chance, like you'll just get a little bit, or 10 or 15% chance, but if you have that chance, it's going to downpour. Well, it didn't downpour, but it rained kind of steady, good part of the time. But we did get to go in the conservatory part of the time, and we walked around the grounds, and we saw the Chimes Tower. It was a nice day. I had fun, and we didn't get sunburned because there wasn't any sun. Anyway, it was good. It was a good day. Um, Tuesday morning, I have to do a video, the drawing for the butterfly mini album / tag journal. Also, altered index, the prompt should be up, and I'll work on making that and making embellishments for my collab on the 11th. And then I probably will not put the video up for altered index until Wednesday. We'll see, maybe. because Wednesday, maybe, that's the hottest day of the week, 82 Fahrenheit, but cloudy, rain, partly sunny. We're not sure yet, but it looked on my phone, it looked like it's gonna rain. So I'm supposed to go visit my friend Sue and see her new puppy, Pixie, but I don't know if we'll do that or not because of the rain. We'll see. We're playing it by ear. That's also my payday, so at some point I have to pay the remaining bills for the month and update my spreadsheet I keep and all that kind of jazz. And I have a piggy bank. We're having a real problem with ants in our house, and we actually had an exterminator come out Friday because it's just been creeping me out so bad. We've had sprays and stuff, and it works for a while, and then they come back. We've set traps, and they don't seem to be doing anything this year, and they have worked in the past, but not this year. So anyway, they came out for the first treatment on Friday, and they're coming back the following week, and ugh. And I think I'm just gonna end up having an exterminator service routine kind of thing because I can't deal with all these ants and bugs and stuff. Anyway. I digress. How to get off on that paying the bills. The piggy bank. Yeah, I don't know how much I'll be saving this month because I had extra expenses. I think that's where I was going with that. And then the deck the year collab is Thursday. That's the altered playing cards with Penny's Crafty Creations. And I do have the theme. Hopefully, it might change being Mother's Day. I want to do something remembering mom. So maybe I'll use some of her old things or something. I don't know yet. And I usually clean the litter on Wednesdays and Sundays, but I'll do it on Thursday and Sunday this time. And I want to clean the kitchen and bathroom, Swiffer them. I haven't done that over this past weekend so far, it's Sunday, because I'm letting the ant bait work, which is really creeping me out in the kitchen and the bathroom mostly. But I want to clean the floors really good next week. And then Friday, I didn't write anything in. I really need to get back into jewelry. So maybe Friday and Saturday will be jewelry if I get the embellishments on for the 11th done before the 11th and the video up. And I just put a sticker here, plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. And one sec. Sorry about that. And I have laundry. I'll do a load on Tuesday and Friday probably. And I don't have a whole lot of laundry, but you know, I just did my whites Friday, I think. And so yeah, I'll do a load of dark on Tuesday and probably towels and stuff on Friday. I don't know yet. Or sheets, maybe my sheets. Anyway, and then Sunday is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to anyone who is a mother. Um, whether it's a human mother or a pet mother or both. Yeah. Or a stepmother or whatever. I want to go visit the cemetery and take some new flowers to mom for her little vase that's there and do the planner for the following week. And then I just put house stuff. And Amy and family, they're going to be at the shore. Her stepmother and father have a house at the shore, and I guess they're going down to fix something for them down there, her and her husband and the kids. So they'll spend the weekend there, but I don't think they're going to get to do much out on the beach or anything because it's supposed to be cloudy and rainy both days and cold, unfortunately. So that's it. I brought the book out here, but I'm kind of not feeling it today. And my computer's acting up again, so it's on battery power right now, even though it's plugged in, which is so weird. And again, I'll write a gratitude in partway through the week. Anyway, I'm hoping that all of you have a wonderful week and that you get to craft some or do something relaxing or something fun. Yeah, oh, and my goals. New day, same goal. It's the same three goals as last week. Walk. Well, not going to be able to do that too much. I walked 2.64 miles yesterday at the Longwood Gardens, Saturday. track my health numbers, keep eating well, and get more sleep. Same goals every day. Except instead of walking, I'm probably going to either have to watch a walking video and walk to it or dance or something in the house to stay active at least 3 or 4 days each week. And I didn't write them in every day. I just know I have to do it. All right, everyone. Have a great week ahead, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.